I was so excited when I posted my first video on my fresh YouTube channel. After a day, I checked to see how my video was doing, but what I found shocked me. My channel was blocked. I couldn't believe it. It felt like my YouTube dreams were over, but then I got an email from YouTube. It gave me hope. I saw an option to appeal the decision. It felt like a chance. I filled out the form, telling them everything they asked for. I added my name, my email address to contact, and a channel link which is already mentioned in YouTube's email. I just copy it and paste it to the required area. Then, I need to share my thoughts and request another chance. You can use my template. Just go to my website, the link is in the description, and open this post and copy the text from it. Remember to make it your own. Don't just copy what I did. I hit submit and waited. It felt like forever. But just 4 hours later, I got a response. They said my channel does not violate any community guidelines and my channel was recovered. If you ever face this, try what I did. It might just work for you too. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Your support means everything.